Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, I make my breakfast this morning. I put first my my dish, vegetable with carrots and potato with okra. Then I put the rice. Let's put the rice there. Thank you for the love and support always to my channel. Like that. Put some more rice. Let's make this. Then look guys what the result after that. Then let's put there. Okay. Okay, let's eat. Yummy and cute. Let's put some of vegetable here. Yay, that's my breakfast this morning. Let's eat. Yummy, yummy.